We just go back from the farm. This is I harvesting a little bit of chili peppers. That's the dog hiding. Oh gosh. Mm. My hand's so shaking because it's too tired. Too tired. Work all day at farms. This is the home farming house. The distance between one and the other farming houses above 1,000 meters. Oh, I'm so sorry if my camera is so blurry because this is the device that I have. So I'm so sorry if this is disturbing you. We just plant and not plant. This is harvesting chili peppers, and this is my aunt give me a banana. My aunt give me banana for make a crackers, banana crackers. Oh, not banana crackers, right? Banana chips. Banana chips. It's not cracker. Oh my god, 38 people. Ooh, shocked me. Hmm. That's a farming house. Two. I'm so sorry for 28 people. If my device is so blurry because this is the only device that I have. I'm so sorry. Little cow. Hi. Hi, little cow. Hi, little cow. Oh my god. Like impossible. The light almost like Adahana ghost. Human more scarier than ghosts, right? Human more scariest than ghosts. pepper. It's going to be ghosts in the woods. Oh no. Human more scariest than a ghost. Oh, oh, so dark. Right here, so dark. That's correct. When at a young age, I scary, I scared of ghosts. But when I got mature, that I know if human more scarier than ghosts. No, I'm not in the woods. This is the way we're going home. This is the way we're going to my mom farming house. So I have to going through the woods. Oh my god. It's okay. It's too dark. So I want and this live streaming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting this channel. Bye bye.